Voices and wires, everything felt right. Spinning the records, chasing the tone, charming the world through a microphone. From towers of steel to a runway's glow, wind in the circuits, numbers that flow. Build me a language of spark and air, but somewhere inside was a kid still there. Every reinvention, every design left little fingerprints frozen in time. I'm letting the child in me run again, barefoot through circuits and sky and wind, laughing at nothing, everything new, turning the grayscale into blue. No more lines I have to defend, no more roles I have to pretend. I've been the voice, the suit, the plan. Now I'm just me, just a kid again. Just a kid again. From markets and margins to digital dreams, reading the future in flickering screens, selling tomorrow from city to state, learning how timing can masquerade fate. Early networks before they were named, words on a wire, the spark of a flame. Code and design, photography light, chasing a moment that felt just right. All of the titles, they fade away, but wonder's a language that's here to stay. I'm letting the child in me run again, barefoot through circuits and sky and wind, building with starlights, breaking the mold, trading uncertainty just to feel bold. No more lines I have to defend, no more roles I have to pretend. I've been the voice, the suit, the plan. Now I'm just me, just a kid again. Just a kid again. Boats on the water, stars in the lens, tiny machines that I steer with my hands. Laughter in pixels, dreams taking flight, finding the magic in ones and in nights. Lost like a shadow I carry alone, but even in silence I hear her song. And somewhere between what was and what is, a quiet reminder of simple bliss. So I let go of who I had to be and hold on to curiosity. Now the child in me leads the way through every sunrise, every play, still building worlds, still chasing light, still turning questions into flight. No finish line, no final plan, just open skies and open hands. After the miles, the maps, the span, I'm still that kid I always am. From static to starlight, the signal is clear. The boy never left, he was always right here.